So hope your day's going good, but better by watching this video.
Kindergarten.
Sorry, that's my little brother. So today we're at Michael. So I hope you guys give a big thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below what should I get or what should I have get. Okay, you can stop now. And hit that bell button right beside the subscribe button. And yeah, let's go.
But this is little.
Should I get clear white?
That's mine. This is the.
No, because I already have white. And now let's go look for a phone. No. Whatever that's called. First glitter. I think the glitter's here. I think the glitter is over here.
It's one. That one? Katie!
Yeah.
Look one! Katie!
I think I still can't find it. Oh, here it is. I passed it. This is for $4. No. I think I'll get this one. This one looks cute, right, guys? It's for $2 actually. Excuse me. Now let's see if they have activator. I think they do. No, wait. We need a foam thing. Oh, it's okay. And guys, stay tuned because when we get home, I'm gonna be making it. Show you how I make it. I think I want to get one. I think I'll get pink. Guys, should I get pink or blue? I like blue and pink. But it's for $2.09. I think I'll just get pink. Should I get pink and blue? Guys, comment down below. I'll come back for a blue next time. When you guys comment down below. And I think now we just gotta look for that activator. It's over here. Guys, I think I need like the squirt paint because at home I got the different paint. We were just, yeah, whatever. Then, some people put like googly eyes in there, but I don't know why. It's just uncomfortable. Everybody's looking at me. I think I have pretty sure. This one So guys, dream big. Don't let anybody crush your dream. And
a pencil for Kanaya, Jimmy. Yeah, I'll part.
Be yourself because everybody else is taken. That's the rule today. And this one, today I will be kind, be nice, be fair, be happy. This, X this out and put every day. I want I don't want Thai because then it'll make my slime blue. And I always have my slime blue because the activator had. An icon solution is way too hard to do. So I think I'll just go to Stop Shop after. So yeah, I have to go to checkout.
Check out it this way.
And guys, we're gonna fast forward this where we have to check out. This is actually really cute. Like I can sit this on my desk. I would like to get this one in my room. I wonder if I could get $12. So guys, we will see you at Stop and Shop. Bye.